We're from the town with the great football team. We cheer the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Hey guys, welcome to Picksburgh. This is Anthony. Today we're going to do a really awesome card break. We're going to go looking for another one of those illustrious WWE Diva Kiss Cards. So I'm going to open up 3 products today, guys. I do have a 2019 SummerSlam Topps product here that I found at Walmart. Great cello pack. And then I got 2 more of the blasters. I've only gotten 1 relic out of these guys, so these have been so dry, but these 2, hopefully these are the lucky ones. So we're gonna open up the cello pack first, guys, and hopefully find something pretty darn good in here. So let's see what I can find. All right, and unfortunately, just looking at the top here, doesn't look like we have any thick card in here. All right, so this has 1 exclusive SummerSlam Women's Evolution card. So let's see what we got here. So we have Daniel Bryan, Alexa Bliss, it's a nice card, Roman Reigns, Savage Granny's gonna go through the roof. I'm gonna give that to her. That's her favorite. Got Dolph Ziggler, Shinsuke Nakamura. There's Greatest Royal Rumble. Finn Balor defeats Roman Reigns. Savage won't like that one. Here we go, Shinsuke. Lashley defeats Roman Reigns. So this is the whole pack of Roman Reigns getting beat down. Savage is definitely not going to like that. Got Randy Orton about to hit that RKO. There he is, hitting that power slam. Shelton Benjamin defeats Randy Orton. Carmella. Cesaro. SummerSlam All-Stars. Brock Lesnar. Another SummerSlam All-Stars. It's Big Show and Kane. Rowdy Ronda Rousey. That is a good one to get. Goes toe-to-toe with Charlotte Flair. That's a nice one. I wonder if that is the women's division card that you get. It says number 27 of 40. So I don't know if Ronda Rousey has her own subset or what. There's Jeff Hardy. Oh, here we go. Alexa Bliss. SummerSlam Greatest Moments. Dusty Rhodes Beast the Honky Tonk Man. Ultimate Warrior Macho Man. Alright, so nothing like super outrageous there. We're going to go into one of these now. This thing does not want to release the cards. And of course, nothing thick in there again. So, me finding relics in wrestling is like next to impossible. So there's a good card on the back there, a little Liv Morgan action. Okay, so I'm going to go through some of these in the front a little bit faster because it's going to be a lot of these Raw 25th moments. Another Roman Reigns for the Savage one. That was classic. Not that any of these aren't classic moments, but you know what I mean. to get into some more bassy type stuff. Here's little Roddy Piper action, Hall of Fame. Andrade rookie card. It's a nice one. Got a Danny Burch first NXT. Vic Joseph. Come on, what you know about that announced game? Got an Asuka. There's a lot of Asuka in this set. Maris. Got a Paige. There you go. This is general manager version Paige. Chad Gable. Peyton Royce rookie card. That is a nice one. That's what I'm going to set aside for sure. Sami Zayn. Tino Sabatelli. Bret the Hitman Hart. It's a nice one. Otis. There we go. Mandy Rose. There's a good one. Lindsay Dorado. Jeff Hardy. Dolph Ziggler. Bobby Lashley. Another Andrade rookie card. Is that 2 in 1 pack, or is there 2 different ones? 2 different ones. Look at that. It looks like it should be the same, but they're differently, like, colored. Interesting. Very interesting. Alright, so we got another Danny Burch first NXT, so they're, like, repeating now. Interesting. David Otunga. Jason Jordan. Kona Reeves first NXT. No Way Jose rookie card. Samoa Joe. Tainara Conti. Andre the Giant. $1 Million Man. Everybody's got a price. Woken Matt Hardy. And a Liv Morgan rookie. That is nice. Very nice. One more to go, guys. Hopefully we can find something good in this, because as of yet, we've been getting skunked. And we're getting skunked again, guys. No relic in there either. That sucks. Well, we're not getting that kick, but maybe we can get a decent rookie. Something gradable would be nice. Okay. So let's power through these 25th moments here. Got Kurt Angle. Daniel Bryan and Kane. A lot of these are going to be duplicates too, I've noticed. That was classic. Another Roman Reigns for the Savage one. She's going to be spoiled, guys. There we go, baby. A little Becky Lynch action. Candice LeRae. Been in the ring with her husband before. Kevin Owens. Zack Ryder. Victor. Sonya Deville rookie card. Maria Kanellis. Riddick Moss. Seth Rollins. There we go. It's a nice base card. Vanessa Bourne. Billy Kay rookie card. So now we got both of the Iconics, so that's pretty sweet. Bondini. Ricochet. Is that the first NXT? Yep. I have one of these, but you can't have too many of like studs like this, especially in the first. Shane Thorne. Ty Dillinger. Shinsuke. Mark Andrews rookie card. Another Roman base. Ronda Rousey rookie card. Beautiful, guys. This is one of the better cards you can get out of this set. And I now have another one to send for grading. Beautiful. Dash Wilder. Finn Balor. This is considerably a better one. Killian Dane rookie card. Nikki Bella. Sasha Banks. Yeah, this is a good hanger. Velveteen Dream. Shawn Michaels. Edge. Kane. Harper. Wow. Guys, that was insane value in that last hanger box. So that last hanger box had some of the better cards out of the entire break. So do me a favor, let me know down in the comments what was your favorite card I opened here, because you have an opportunity to win it. Now, hang tight, I'm going to show you who won in the last video. Alright guys, so the winner from the last video is my man Leroy, Blood, Sweat, and Cell. So Leroy, let me know which card you like the best, bro, and you will get that shipped out free of charge. Appreciate all the support, my friend. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Hopefully we'll get a kiss next time.
Yoo-hoo! Family!
Unless you're willing to give me a kiss.
Barely.
I can't even get a kiss from the wife.
Oh.